Number 1.
Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit features premium quality product and a convenient, affordable bundle to clean and care for your vehicle. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash and Ultra Plush Microfiber Wash Mitt will wash and remove loose contaminants. Meguiar's Premium Clay Bar and Quick Detailer are included to remove bonded contaminants. And for that inevitable light scratch or scuff, Meguiar's Scratch X 2.0 is a quick cure for paint. Gold Class Liquid Wax provides lasting shine and protection for paint, while Endurance Tire Gel does the same for tires. Keep your interior fresh and clean with Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer. Finally, plastics can be used to restore and beautify headlights, clear plastics, and more. With Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit, your car is covered.
Number 2. Number 3.